Neema Academy, transforming education.
Life cycle of honeybee. You may have heard a buzzing sound in your garden. Have you wondered what they are? They might be bees. Honeybees are social insects and live together in nests or hives. A honeybee colony typically consists of 3 kinds of adult bees: workers, drones, and a queen. Several thousand worker bees cooperate in nest building, food collection, and brood rearing. Individual bees, workers, drones, and queens cannot survive without the support of the colony. Every bee has a job to do, but most important role is of the queens. The queen bee is the mother of every bee in the hive. Her pheromones control the behavior of the colony, and she is responsible for keeping the colony well stocked with baby bees. But how is a queen bee born? And how does she live her life? A queen bee is easily spotted thanks to her large abdomen and the loyal attendant bees she will have with her. Her purpose in life is simple: mate and lay eggs, lots of eggs. After 6 days of birth, a queen bee will leave the hive and mate with the male bees from same and other colonies. Male bees are called drones. Their only purpose in life is to seek out a queen from there or another colony to mate with. Unfortunately, if drone bees are successful in finding female bee, they will die after mating. Die after mating? How? The male dies because his reproductive parts, testes and penis, will be torn from his body. After mating with 10 to 15 drone bees, the queen returns to the hive to spend the remaining 2 to 7 years of her life in laying eggs. She will lay 1,500 eggs in a day and around 2 lakh eggs a year. The queen wants nothing in the hive other than being fed and cleaned by her royal attendants. She controls her colony through releasing unique pheromones which can stimulate her colony's behaviors. She can instigate pollen gatherings, attract drones, and inhibit worker bee from reproducing, all through the power of smell. Eggs are laid directly into the honeycomb cells, and the colony, especially worker bees, can choose which gender each egg will be. How is this possible? As we all know, queen gives both fertilized and unfertilized eggs. Drones come from unfertilized egg, while fertilized eggs produce essential female worker bees. In just 2 or 3 days, these eggs grow into larvae. Then they are fed and nursed by worker bees. Larva grows quickly within a week up to 1st to 5th instar larva before wrapping themselves into a cocoon for a week to 14 days and emerging from their cells as fully grown bees in 16 to 23 days. Any fertilized eggs have the potential to develop into a queen bee, but their transformation is carefully managed by worker bees in the colony and only begin if the queen is failing. Once the queen does not lay eggs or if she becomes injured or sick, the colony will know to ready themselves to replace her by building queen cells. These large peanut-shaped honeycomb cells are suited for royal jelly. Once eggs are laid in the cells, the larvae are fed with a special combination of the nutrients and royal jelly to spark the transformation into a queen bee. Worker bee will take 18 to 22 days to fully develop, but queen only takes 16 days, while drone will take 24 days to develop. If the queen dies before a successor can be named, the the colony will rush to transform worker bee larva into queen bee. Have you ever thought, can worker bee also lay eggs? Sometimes, a worker bee can take it upon herself to start laying eggs, but these will all be unfertilized males. Once a virgin queen emerges, she moves quickly to eliminate any royal competition by stinging and killing others developing or hatched queens. If the old queen is still alive when a successor hatches, she will often exile herself from the hive, taking a dramatic swarm of worker bees with her and potentially developing a new colony. The new virgin queen then repeats her mother's legacy and sets off to find mates and lay eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching Neema Academy.